Assalamu alaikum. I am Tariq Abid Bhatti from class BSCS 2K17. I am here for present my presentation about computer networks. Course outline: Introduction to computer networks, network topologies, type of computers, networks, guided and unguided media. Introduction to computer network. A computer network is a group of devices connected with each other through a transition medium such as a wires, cable, etc. These devices can be computers, printers, scanners, fax machines, etc. The purpose of having computer network is to send the received data stored in other devices over the networks. These devices are often referred as a nodes. There are five basic compounds a computer network: rules sender, message, rules receiver. Introduction to computer network. Message: it is the data of information which needs to be transferred from one device to any other device over a computer network. Sender: sender is the device that has the data and needs to send data to other device connected to the network. Receive: a receiver is a device which is expecting the data from the device on the network. Transmission data: in the order to transmission data from one device to any other device, we needed a transmission media such as wires, cables, radio waves, etc. Protocol: a protocol is a set of rules that are agreed by the both sender and receiver. Without a protocol is a set of rules they are agreed by both sender and receiver. Without a protocol, two devices can be connected to each other, but they cannot communicate. In order of establish a receivable communication or the data sharing between different devices, we need the set of rules what we are called protocol. For example, HTTP and HTTPS are the two protocols used by the web browser to get and post the data to internet. Similar stamp protocol is used by the email server connected to the internet. Network topologies. The configuration or topology of a network is the key to determining its performance. Works network topologies is the way network is arranged, including the physical or logical description of how links or nodes are set up to relate to each other. There are five main network topologies: star topology, bus topology, ring topology, mesh topology, hybrid topology. Star topology. A star topology, the most common network topology, is the laid out so every node is the network is directly connected on the one central hub via coaxial ties and paid the fiber optic cable acting as a server is that central node, meaning data transmission as the information set from any node on the network has to pass through the central one to each its dissection and function prepared which helps present data loss. This is a diagram. Bus topology. A bus topology orients the all devices on network along a single cable running in a single direction from one end of the network to the other, which is why it's sometimes called a line topology or backbone. Topology data follow on the network also follow the rules of cable moving in direction. The diagram of bus topology. A ring topology. Ring topology is the node are arranged in a cycle or ring. The data can travel through the ring network in either on the direction or both descriptions. Each device having executely two neighbors. Ring topology. Mesh topology. A mesh topology is a include and the embrace structure of point to point connection where the nodes are included. Mesh network can be full on a practical mesh. Practical mesh topology are most unconnected with the few nodes with only 2-3 connections, which full mesh topologies are suppressed fully interconnected. Hybrid topology. Hybrid topologies combine two or more different topologies structures. The three topology is a good example. Integration, the bus and star layouts. Hybrid structures are most commonly found in a large common space, which involves departs have a poisoned network topologies adapted to the suite there needs a network image. Type of computer networks. A computer network is a group of computers linked to each other that embrace the computer to communicate with any other computer and share their resource data and applications. There are main three types of computer: LAN, WAN, MAN. The LAN local area network. Local area network is a group of computers connected to each other in the small area such as building, office. When LAN is used to connection to more personal computers through the communication medium such as a twist pair, coaxial cable, etc. It is a less costly at the blade with the input hardware such as a words network, lipids and ethic cables. The data is transferred at the an experiment faster rate. Local area network provides high security. Main metropolitan area. A metropolitan area network is a more that conveys a large graphical area which including different lane to from a large network. The government agencies use main to connect to the citizens and private industries in the main. Wireless LAN are connected to each other through the telephone change line. The most widely used protocols in a main RES 232 frames Rally, ATM, ISND, OC3, ADS, etc. It has highest range of local area network LAN. Sees metopology area network. MAN is a used communication between banks in a city. It can be used in airline services. It can be used in a college when a city. It can also used for communication in the military. When wide area network. A wide area network is a card that extends over the large graphical area such as states or countries. A wide area network is a qualitative bigger network than LAN or wide area network is not limited to a single location but it spans over a large graphical area through the telephone line, bridge office, cable and state lines. The internet is one of the biggest WAN in the world. A wide area network is widely used in the field business, government and education. Example of wide area network. Mobile broadband, a 4GB network is widely used across a region or country. The last mile. A telecom companies used to provide to internet service to consumer in the hearts of cities and countries. Their home are fiber. Private network. A bank provides a private network that connects the 44 offices. This network is made using a telephone lines with the provide the telecom companies. Transmission media. There are two types of transmission media, namely guided transmission media are cables like twisted pair cables, aux cables, and fiber optics cables. Unguided transmission media are wireless, such as in-phase radio waves and microwave. Guided media. It is referred to wire to broadband transmission media, signals being transmitted are direct and the confident in the narrow pathway the using physical links. Guided media. Twisted pair cable. It consists of the two graphically include director which found of each other, generally servers such as a pair, the builded together in a private health. They are most various. In shield twist pair TPP, this used cable the ability of block reference and does not depend on the physical shield. For the purpose it is used applications shield twist and steps. There are cables consists of the special jack to block internet inference. It is used for fast data rate increase in the voice of data channels and telephone lines. Twist pair to the two types. And the guided media. Axial cable. It is outplated convection connection to parallel conduction and having a separate include processing over the coax cable. Transmissions information in the two modes. Baseband model education cable with the and broadband model. And baseband model spreads in the spread range cable TV and along television networks wireline with axial cable optical fiber. It is used to concept of reflection of light through the core made of the glass or physicals. The core is subjected by the less dense glass or plastic conversion called the cladding. It is used for transmission of the large volume of the data. The cable can be understood or vertical. The WMD Volition Division multiplier sports two mode and namely industrial inboard modes. Unguided media. It is also referred to as onboard transmission media or physical media. It is required for the transmission of electronic signals. There are three major types of unguided media. One, radio waves. There are there are so generated and generation through the buildings, the sending, the receiving, any other needs to glass annualized frequency range 3 kHz and 1 GHz. MM, FM radios are codeless phones used radio waves of transmission. Unguided media. Microwave. It is a line of instant transmission, i.e. sending the receiving means need the property against with the each other. The transmission or the signal is the directed proportional to the height of the antenna. Frequency range 1 GHz 300 GH. There are majorly used to mobile phone communication and television distribution. 3. Infrared. Infrared waves are used to for every short distance communications. They cannot perfored through the battles. This brave invents between system frequency of the 300 GHz 4 THz is the used TV ribbons, right slate, mouse, keyboard and printer etc. Thank you.